They keep on the line. She said she told you she knows me, but the face isn't right. She asked if I recognized her, and I told her I'm not. I can't find you in the body sleeping for the castle. They've got the kingdom locked up, and there's an old man sitting on the throne and saying I should. And all the people say you can't wake up, this is not a choice. And he told me I was holy, he's got me down on both knees, but it's the devil that's trying to hold me down, thinking of the bed now. And there's a